The concrete pump PX800 is a machine primarily intended for processing and transport of the refractory concrete mixture, a reliable principle of mixing. Using of the wear-resistant materials and the precise dosing of water make it the most used machine for producing monolithic lining in a metallurgical industry and a glass-making industry. The thought-out design of the machine and the ergonomic arrangement of the individual elements allow comfortable operation, maintenance, and ensure high reliability. All components of the machine are stored in the compact frame in order to allow easy manipulation with the machine by using a crane or a lift track. An electric installation, air distribution and water distribution are in closed boxes with controls. The outlet filler of the pressure vessel is equipped with an outlet valve, quetch, operated pneumatically. The machine is equipped with an electric motor with a gearbox with the power of 30 kilowatts. Basic technical data. Capacity of the pressure vessel is 800 liters. Weight of one batch is 1000 kilograms. Distance of transport, horizontal is maximum 100 meters, vertical is maximum 40 meters. Total weight is 1940 kilograms. Height is 1730 millimeters. Length is 2880 millimeters. Width is 1400 millimeters. Place the machine on a horizontal surface. Connect it to an appropriate feed array by using a cable. An incorrect connection of phase is indicated by a control bulb on the electric switchboard. Connect the supply of air and water by a tube. Connect the transport tube to the pressure filler and fix its end or use a pedestal. Before the beginning of work, wet the transport tube from inside. Switch on the machine run and close up the quetch valve. Activate the water feed into the pressure vessel and pour the dry mixture by hopper. Perfect mixing of the wet mixture is indicated on the electric switchboard by the decrease in power take-off of the electric motor. After visual examination of the mixed mixture, it is possible to add manually a required amount of water. Lift off the hopper, cleanse the filler of the feed entrance and compression rubber of the cover, close up the cover vessel and add tap on the cover. Open the lower air one in front of the quetch valve and the upper air continuously. After reaching the optimal pressure, which depends on the transport distance, open the quetch valve. For longer transport distances, add lower air 2 after the quetch valve into the transport tube. The mixing rod blends the mixture and at the same time move the mixture into the pressure filler. Supplementary air pushes the mixture in transport tube evenly. Transport proceeds in aggregation. After emptying the pressure vessel, close all three cocks and the quetch valve. After opening the vent cock, open the cover of the vessel. All the cycle can be repeated. After the finishing of work, clean down the machine. Fill the machine with water and then allow out to the required location. Clean the machine by a stream of clean water. Pay attention to the vessel orifice, the quench valve, and the feeding terminal of the air and water. After each use of the machine, refill the Vaseline into the bearing of mixing shaft. Put the orifice of the pressure oiler on the oiler box of bearing cover and refill it with at least 50 grams of Vaseline. Repeat the same process with the second bearing.